At the time, I was just in a spot where I felt like I was trying so hard to grow my skills and become better. And I was just falling short, and I didn't understand why, and I didn't understand what was missing. So I was hoping that through Recording Connection, I would find that. And it seemed like being able to work in an establishment with people who are making money doing this, and this is their life, that I would get the best shot at that, and I did. At the time, I was making a lot of beats and trying to mix and engineer my own music that I was making. And between the beat making and the mixing, I just felt like I was improving, but not the way I wanted. Like, I wasn't where I wanted to be at all. But I felt like I was so lost as far as where to start on things. And I needed a place to start building my mixing to that way I can make my own projects and not feel like they're subpar. Exactly, and that's exactly where I was in a spot of not knowing. Like, I can look up 1,000 tricks to do one thing, and that's where I was getting at, was like, okay, I learned how to do this one thing for this specific time and for this specific manner, but like, how do I actually use a compressor all the time, not just how do I use it one spot. I love music. At first, I thought I was just gonna make my own music and be happy with that. And then it was like, actually, I could really fall in love with engineering even for other people. And then it was like, I could really love producing for everybody. So now it's just so much further than what I could have ever imagined the more and more I learn.